Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and I hope you're all doing good in life. Today's video is going to be a very quick review on the Hyphen Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence, which looks like this. This is a 100 ml bottle and the price of this is 495 rupees. But like I said in my haul video, I got this from Hyphen's website and I got along with two other products at the price of 1150. So I recommend कि आप Hyphen की या brand की websites पहले check कीजिए because they do have some amazing offers on their products. Either they will have a buy one get one or buy two at some price or buy three at some price like I did, and then go to e-commerce platforms like Nykaa or Amazon or the likes. So packaging wise ये इस outer carton में ऐसे आता है जो आपको यहाँ पे लिखता है Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence. It is an intensely hydrating skin drink for normal, dry and dehydrated skin people. So if you are from the oily skin family, this is not for you because it will make your skin very oily just because of the components that it has in it. For reference, I have a combination skin and I'm still using it. And so far I have not had any particular issues after using this toner, so my combination skin is taking it pretty well, I would say. Here is a list of the hero ingredients of this product. So it has 5% of white nectar, which is a blend of snow mushroom extract, rice water extract, oatmeal extract that soothes the skin and provide intense nourishment and hydration to the dryness of the skin. 7% NMFs are natural moisturizing factors. I have just having a slippery tongue today, I'm sorry. NMFs जो है जो हमारे स्किन में नेचुरली भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो 7% इन्होंने यहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं. प्लस इट हैज़ अ सेरेमाइड कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट हैज़ बीटा ग्लूकॉन which soothes and hydrates the skin barrier and it retains the moisture in the skin. And when to use, you can use it both AM as well as PM. I like to use this in my nighttime skincare routine just because for the daytime I just don't like to layer my skin with a lot of skincare products during the daytime. So in the nighttime, I give my skin a good skincare routine and therefore I include this in the nighttime routine. यहाँ पे ingredients लिखे हुए मिलेंगे which I will come to in a second, and that's about it. This toner is fragrance free, paraben free, alcohol free, and it is cruelty free and it is PETA certified as well. It comes in a twistable cap like this और आप toner अपने हाथ में ऐसे निकाल के skin पे लगाना है. And I do love the overall color scheme of this toner. Sitting back at my vanity, it looks very expensive. I think it's a very high-end color combination, this light peachy pink with the incorporation of this little gray elements into the packaging. It makes it look very high-end than it actually is. इस toner का जो consistency है वो बहुत ज़्यादा watery consistency है, मतलब बहुत ही पानी जैसा toner है. See, it's literally like milk in your hands. So as soon as you take out your toner, don't forget to put the cap back, वरना अगर ये bottle लुढ़क गई तो आपका toner जो है पानी की तरह बाहर आ जाएगा. Since it doesn't have any fragrance, there's no point in telling what it smells like, and this is how the moisturization looks. I think this toner does a very good job in moisturizing your of course your face, but अभी just मैंने हाथ पे लगाया तो my hands instantly feel very moisturized, like deep intense moisturization मिला हो मेरे हाथों को वैसा feeling आता है. You have to use this toner on a clean dry face and just take a few drops of this toner, rub it between your palms and apply it on your face, and that's what I do, and it gives me so much hydration, so much nourishment and moisturization that most of the days I don't even feel like applying anything else because I feel this is more than enough. और क्योंकि इतना deep hydration हो जाता है और जैसा मैंने बोला मेरी skin बहुत dry या dry family में नहीं आती है तो उतना ही hydration moisturization मेरे लिए काफ़ी होता है. If I talk of the ingredients of this toner, this has 14 humectants and 6 emollients that I could find, and that's a huge lot of moisturization for your skin because it is made for dry to very dry to dehydrated normal skin person, right? Because it has 14 humectants which do nothing but like retain your skin's moisture balance, and emollients which intensely moisturize your skin. Apart from that, it also has 5 types of ceramide: ceramide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 2. It does have isopropyl myristrate जो अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है तो पोर्स को क्लॉग करने का काम कर सकता है. So if you have that type of skin which gets clogged very fast, do a test before you use this, and if you have any types of acne breakouts then immediately stop using it. Humectants के नाम पे इसमें trehalose है, you have glycerin, you have pentylene glycol, यूरिया इज़ अ ह्यूमेक्टेंट जो हमारा स्किन का नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइजिंग फैक्टर भी है जो हमारी स्किन में नेचुरली भी अवेलेबल होता है. सोडियम PCA, माल्टोज, फ्रुक्टोज, सोडियम हाइलोरोनेट, इट हैज़ ग्लूकोज, and then it also has snow mushroom extract, Snow mushroom is also a humectant. Sodium gluconate, which is an humectant, and they have used 4 types of preservatives. This also contains titanium dioxide, which is a sunscreen component and also a coloring agent. So basically they have a good mix of ceramides. They have humectants, emollients, which are moisturizing factors, which is why this is very rich in moisturization. Overall, for me, this toner is a very good add to my skincare because it is so moisturizing. Kabhi kabhi sirf this toner is more than enough. It has ceramides, it has humectants, it has emollients, it has titanium dioxide, but this is not a sunscreen, so don't confuse it with that. So, but as a toner, it's I think like a, you know, like a complete package when it comes to just being the toner. So this plus one moisturizer or a ceramide cream is more than enough for your day as well as your nighttime. Of course, in the daytime, you need to have your sunscreen on top of this. But for the nighttime, this, and like I said, any type of ceramide cream or ceramide moisturizer is more than enough. So you will have ceramide over ceramide. So that's a lot of moisturizer. Any of the actives that you use, you can use this toner on top of those actives. I have not had any problems with my skin. In fact, my skin does feel very supple and soft since I've started using this. I mean, I have been more diligent also in my skincare routine. Let's not just ignore that fact. Also, you have to be very regular, very diligent with your skincare, with the products that you use. So I have been that. So that could be a result that yes, my skin feels nice because I have incorporated this new product. Plus, I'm also very regular in doing my daytime as well as my nighttime skincare routine. But yes, for me, this is definitely on the rebuy list because I love this toner. It's alcohol free, it's fragrance free, it gives a nice feeling when you apply. And it's an overall like a really good product from Hyphen, I would say. So if you're looking for this type of a toner, like a all-in-one toner, then definitely you should give this one a try. And that's it about this toner. It's a good toner if you don't have any skin issues, and if you do have a dry, very dry, dehydrated normal skin and even combination skin, you can give this one a try. I have combination skin and I am absolutely loving this toner. So that's it about the review of this toner. If you have liked it, please leave a like. Thank you so much for taking out the time to watch this video. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, all of you take care, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Bye-bye.